Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 143, NASDAQ up 128, S&P's up 26, gold contract up $38, trading $19.32 an ounce. Silver up $1.29, $25.17 an ounce. Light sweet crude down 69 cents, $40.50 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note down 3 ticks, trading 138.26. 30-year off 5 at 174.01. And King Dollar down 550 ticks, trading 93.055. The euro is at 118. The yen is at 105.5, and the British pound is at 130 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get a higher market out here. We still get a contraction of volume. S&P looks like we got another couple points that it wants to get up into the swing point. So we made it to 347.35 thus far today, folks. You get 38 million shares traded. Bottom line is that you're coming into 139 million shares. That's the swing point it's going after, though. That's 347.83. We made 347.35 thus far out here today. NDX 100. NDX 100 going after the exact same type of bar, meaning the exact same day. Let's see how this is shaking out. That number there is 388. What we have done is that you got, on top of this consolidation, this is the NDX 100, 3 Qs, got on top of the consolidation, volume is contracting, but the bottom line, your next spot up here is that 288.93. What we did do out here today is that we hit the price point of 285.56. Gold and silver both caught a bid out here today, folks. Bottom line is that when you get gold, you get gold right up now, $37.40. You have 218,000 contracts. We came down with 219, so we'll do over that contract volume, over that little swing point. Now the kicker here. Let's just put this on for a second. We need another day like this. Actually, I mean the equities are performing in a big way. There's no doubt about that. But to actually, yeah, it's what we to get up to the 2024, which is the next leg. We need another day like this. We're right at the top of the trend line from when we come down from the 18th of August. And that's the way that we're trading out here today. That's how I'd like to see trend lines being broken, meaning you get wide price spread, you get the acceleration, and you break the trend. Silver, we take a look at the silver market. Silver also is performing out here today. You get 70,000 contracts traded out here. Silver has a bit to go before that is broken, meaning the trend coming down. Let me just see what that number is. I think we're approaching it. It looks like we are approaching it, actually, but yeah, we're approaching it. It's okay, Monday it could happen. The top of that trend is 25.52. We've made it to 25.23 out here today. 25.52, not bad. The GDX, you take a look at the GDX, you get we get the volume inside the GDX out here today. You're up 20. We get 20 million shares traded. You're up $1.57. This baby is, I suspect, go right, making its way right up to the highs again. $45.78. Right now, you're trading out at 40.53. And what that's going to be all about, folks, is the bottom line. Good old King Dollar. King Dollar's just giving it up again. Now, the number that we're going to have to watch the beginning of the week on King Dollar is where it did break topside from, which is 92,749. We're at 93,062 right now. What we did have out here today, all the major pairs are stronger than the dollar. We take a look at the euro. The euro is up 64 ticks, 118. You take a look at the British pound. British pound out here is up 101 ticks. That is, this is a strong one. Ooh, interesting, man. Okay, the pound. Yeah, the pound broke out of its consolidation. The pound wants to run up to this 134, so that's a big number. And then the yen. The yen was going against us the last week and a half. And what it did do is that on Wednesday, it broke topside. Now, it's going to be a false break. You know, Wednesday went from 105.61 to 106.11, and then bang, just gives it up on spades, gets back in the lower range. And if we get some follow-through inside the yen, that, no doubt, is going to be a big number. And you could expect that what we'll look at, that the follow-through is going to be crucial. XAU, HUI. Let's go take a look at both of them. You're going to see they're both bidding up right now. You get the XAU's up $50. Yeah, that'd be nice. $5.82. That baby right now, come on, give me the rest of it. There we go. $5.82. You're well within the range once again. At the top of that range, to get back inside the range first was 140. We're at 149.16 right now. We get over and we take a look at the Gold Bugs Index. Same type of setup inside the Gold Bugs Index. You're up $13.91. And we take a look at that, and that is just... pretty amazing, actually. The range, the bottom of that range is 318. We're at 338. So, needless to say, we have some real juice that's happening. Markets out here today. We're in a news-driven market. There's no doubt about that. And if you want to, it's hard to actually listen to the news, folks, because the bottom line is that everything is just like markets, bull and bear markets, bull and bears in general. Guess what? You know, this election, I would look at it the exact same way. Everything is game out here. What you had today is that you had Trump was on the Rush Limbaugh show, and you talk about, here's his quote. I would like to see a bigger stimulus package, frankly, than either the Democrats or the Republicans are offering. Trump said on the Rush Limbaugh radio show today, saying he's going in the opposite direction of from his earlier stances. Dow up 150, Nasdaq up 135, S&P's up 28. Come right back.